Hi everyone, I want to do a review today of this Mad Shark kitchen vegetable peeler. The brand did send this to me, and first of all, look how beautiful the packaging is. They nail all their packaging with their knives, with their peelers. I just love the way it came in. It looks so sleek and beautiful. So this vegetable peeler is definitely multi-purposeful. It could cut a lot of different vegetables and fruits, from apples to carrots to potatoes to so many other things. I love how the quality of this peeler is extremely high quality. It's made from great materials. It's super durable. So the ultra sharp wide swivel is a great thing also because it reduces the resistance when peeling. It's just a smooth peel, and I absolutely love that. So they actually upgraded their peeler, and this is made from a great material. It's super easy to clean, and it's dishwasher safe, which is such a win for me. Just throw it in the dishwasher and it's clean. So as you can see, this peeler is doing a phenomenal job at peeling. It looks really sleek. I love how it looks. I love how it works. Definitely recommend.